almost everyone watching this video is going to agree with that. It's unsustainable. And it's probably one of the reasons, maybe the main reason, why the metals are ripping like they are, specifically gold. And ultimately, we came into the year 2025 thinking there were going to be major fiscal responsibility things put into place. Doge was brought into play with Elon Musk, and we don't even see it anymore. It's not even in existence. They actually dissolved it. And now we see the government spending more money than ever before. And so this is the issue here, right? There's this fundamental fear amongst everyone, you, myself, and everyone watching, that this is an unsustainable path. And us as Americans, us as global participants, we have to start to prepare. And how else to prepare but buy alternatives to the US dollar if this is the trajectory we're on. So I am a believer in Bitcoin, but Bitcoin right now, right? You would say, okay, well, is it a risk asset? Well, the stock market's at all-time highs. Bitcoin is not. It's near 52-week lows. Well, okay, then is it the digital gold? Well, gold's at all-time highs. Bitcoin is not. It's near 52-week lows. Bitcoin is at an existential crossroads. It needs to figure itself out, because then what is it? And the reason this has to be, and there's a lot of Bitcoiners out there, hodlers out there that are going to say, oh, well, it's a little bit of this, a little bit of that. But when you're talking to the masses out there, the people that are buying in their ETFs, the ETF in their portfolios, they need to know. Pension funds need to know, right? Is it a way to protect capital, or is it a risk asset? And without that, you're not going to get the next wave of buyers. And so we have to figure this out as people that believe in Bitcoin, to figure out what it is, and it has to start behaving like that. Just because it's gone up so much, it generally, because things are fundamentally shifting in the global sphere and in the US, it's probably not going to parabolically drop as much, but you will have a flush out. That's what we know from technical analysis. Now, the bigger question is where, right? I would have thought it would have been this pierce of $5,000 per ounce. We have not seen that yet. Now, what we can do is go to the logarithmic chart and start to take a look here and see. So I flipped it to the logarithmic chart, and we go back here. And what we do is, if we flip over to a larger time frame, we start to notice that, again, you've had this incredible move in the 1970s into 1980, this long base, another incredible move here, and a consolidation base that was shorter. And by the way, think about this. So, and this is just a little side note, but it's fascinating. Look at how long the consolidation base was here, and look at how long the consolidation base was here. Much shorter in the 2010 to 20 range. Now, why? Ask yourself why.